This is one of the simplest and easiest bread doughs to make for pizzas, for flatbreads. You can make baguettes, buns. This is a fantastic bread. You guys are going to love it. And it's really, really simple to do. So join me in making it. 1 cup of water. Let's get ourselves a tablespoon of sugar. A little bit of yeast. Say for this one about maybe a teaspoon. Chuck it in. You're going to need 2 cups of flour for this. So fill them up and add them. Start stirring it up. As you can see, I have stirred it quite a bit now and we got some good glutens building up. Add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure they are well mixed, and then you're going to want to add another 1.5 cups of flour. So put that in, mix it up a little bit. At this point you have a choice. Mix it by hand. Okay, so it's time to put it in the mixer. I ran it for about 10 minutes and that will make a really good dough. As you can see, it is perfect. Prepare it into a round. Add some oil to the tub you're going to be keeping it in. Make sure you get the sides because this stuff does grow. So rub the dough around in the oil a little bit so that it's coated nicely, and then put the lid on and leave it to one side. Okay guys, as you can see, it's risen quite, maybe doubled in size. So what you're going to do is fold it over just a little bit. You just want to knead it a little bit more. Okay, good. Put it back in, lid back on, come back in about 2 hours and do it again. Take it out and divide it into your portions. Look at how beautifully bubbly that is. Ooh. Oh, I don't know about SMR or whatever that's called, but that is something beautiful. And now just get them, turn them into balls. These are actually going to become pizzas, so nice and round, perfect. If they're buns, you do the exact same thing. Let them stand a little bit longer. Place them to one side. Let them warm up. Perfectly rolled pizza. Look at the bubbles in them. Thank you for joining us. We're just going to make this pizza, and now for some bloopers. Yeah, forgot to turn it on. Oh well, guys.